What happens when you sleep? Sleep is something that every human needs, but many people do not really understand what happens when they sleep. During sleep, your body begins to rest and repair itself after a long day. Your muscles relax, your heartbeat slows down, and your breathing becomes calm and steady. While you are sleeping, your brain is still very active and continues to work in amazing ways. It organizes all the information you learn during the day and stores it in your memory. Sleep is not just rest. It is an important process that helps your mind and body stay healthy. When you fall into deep sleep, your body releases hormones that help repair your cells and muscles. This is why sleep is so important for growing children and for adults who need to recover from stress or physical activity. Your immune system also becomes stronger during sleep, helping you fight off sickness. At the same time, your brain cleans out waste products that build up during the day. This helps your mind feel clear and ready for new learning when you wake up. Getting enough deep sleep helps your body heal and keeps your energy strong. Another amazing part of sleep is dreaming, which happens during a stage called REM sleep. During this time, your eyes move quickly under your eyelids, and your brain becomes very active again. Dreams can be strange, fun, or scary, and scientists still don't fully understand why we dream. Some believe dreams help us understand our emotions or solve problems from our daily life. Even though dreams may not always make sense, they show how creative and powerful the human mind can be. Every night, your brain uses dreams to explore your imagination. When you don't get enough sleep, your body and mind begin to suffer. You may feel tired, forget things easily, or have trouble concentrating. Lack of sleep can also make you feel sad, stressed, or angry more often. Over time, poor sleep can even cause health problems like heart disease or weight gain. That is why it's so important to have a good sleep routine and go to bed at the same time every night. Sleep is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to take care of yourself. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.